Today we are going to learn about the subject and the predicate. In a sentence, there is a two part. It's called a subject and a predicate. Every sentence has a two part. It is subject and a predicate. Let's see one by one. What is subject and the predicate? First, let me explain what is subject. Subject. What is subject? The person, place, or thing we mention in the sentence, or tell who or what the sentence is. Tell who or what the sentence is. So we can find here sentence is about. The person, place, or thing we mention in the sentence or tell who or what the sentence is about is called a subject, and means that person, place, or thing. We have to identify in the sentence who is talking, and if there is place, and sometimes we use some place or some things. Now we will go to another topic is predicate. Predicate. So what is predicate actually? Whatever we say, about the subject is called predicate. Means predicate indicate the subject, what subject is doing. So every predicate is showing what subject is doing. So let's see some example. Some example is here. Number 1, Rina can dance. Rina can dance. And number 2, the dog bark. Number 3 is I live in Rajasthan. And number 4, let me give one more example, is that swimming is a good exercise. Swimming is a good exercise. So you can find here some example. And now how will identify what is subject, which one is subject, and which one is predicate. So first let me give one notes or some important things you have to keep in mind, that before we understand, we need to ask a question is who or what? This question we have to ask to find out the subject is that who is the and who the speaker is, who is speaking, and what is doing. So everything here we can find. Let me give one by one here. See, Rina can dance. So who is dancing here? So Rina. So it is subject, and remaining part is the predicate, because predicate is whatever we say about the subject is called. So what this part is saying whom? To Rina. So it is called a predicate because Rina can dance. Who can dance? Rina. So this predicate is showing that Rina can dance. So it is easily you can find that we have to ask this question. So here also you can find this is subject and this is predicate, because dog, what dog can do? Dog can bird. And I live in Rajasthan. Who is living in Rajasthan? I. This is, and remaining is predicate. And here also swimming is a good exercise. So here also you can find out what is good for exercise. Swimming. So we have to find out here. This is the predicate. So this is very common and very easy. We can understand that which one is subject and which one is predicate. See here, this is the predicate. From here predicate. The subject part is here. So we can find easily that which one is subject and which one is predicate. Every sentence has a two part. So remember that, keep in mind that subject and predicate make the complete sentence. Without the subject and predicate, every sentence have a subject, at least one subject or predicate. In the subject there may be nouns and pronouns, and in predicate there may be infinite verb. So all together combining and put together make a complete sentence. It is called a sentence, and we can identify in the sentence that subject and which one is subject and the predicate. So we have to identify. So thank you so much. So I hope you have understood in the brief explanation. I hope you understand very well, and if you have any doubt and clarification, please comment on the below. Thank you so much.